Hey guys, I'm Chase Brogan, and today in this video, we're jumping straight into the Linkind SP6 Smart Solar Pathway Lights. And these are honestly some of the most customizable outdoor lights I've ever tested. Because these aren't just lights at the end of the day. These are basically a full smart lighting system for your entire yard. So at the core, yeah, these are solar pathway lights. You stick them in the ground, they charge during the day, and they automatically turn on at night. Super simple. But what makes them different is everything they can do beyond that. Because instead of just turning on and off, you get full color control, adjustable brightness, built-in lighting effects, smart app control, and group syncing. So these go from basic outdoor lighting to something that actually transforms your entire space. The installation process is super simple and easy. No wiring, no tools, and no electrician. You literally snap the pieces together, stake them into the ground, sync everything to the app, and because they're solar powered, they charge during the day and automatically turn on at night for you. So once they're set up, you don't have to think about them again. Everything's fully automated. Now this is where things really stand out and where these differ from a lot of the other options out there.
Everything is controlled through an app, and it gives you a ton of flexibility. You can switch between different lighting modes and patterns instantly.
And the biggest thing, you're not limited to just white light. You get a full spectrum of colors. So if you want clean white lighting for everyday use, warmer tones for a relaxed vibe, or full RGB colors for something a little bit more eye-catchy, you can dial it into exactly what you're looking for. This is probably the coolest part. These lights come with a bunch of built-in lighting effects and presets. We're talking smooth color fades, color cycling, dynamic lighting patterns, pre-built scenes. So instead of just static lighting, you can actually create movement and energy in your outdoor space. And depending on how you set them up, you can go from subtle and clean to full-on statement lighting. Another big feature here is group control. You can sync all your lights together and control everything all at once. So instead of adjusting each light individually, you just set one color, one brightness level, one effect, and your entire setup updates instantly. This makes everything feel way more seamless and polished, plus it's super user-friendly. Now when it comes down to performance, these are designed for outdoor use. They're weather resistant, they're built to handle rain and heat, and they're designed to run consistently night after night. And because they're solar powered, you're not running up your electric bill in any way. Now where these really shine is how versatile they are. You can use them for walkways, driveways, backyard setups, garden accents, pool areas, or even parties and events. And the fact that we have the ability to switch between normal lighting and custom effects is huge. It makes them way more than just functional lights. So overall, if you want basic solar lights, these 100% do that. But if you want something that actually adds personality and control to your outdoor space, these are on a completely different level. So if you want to learn a little bit more about this amazing product, click the link in the description of this video. That's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up on the video. Click subscribe if you haven't already, and click those links to learn a little bit more about this product. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.